welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to sharing some previous year questions from environmental engineering. Let's go to the first question. First question, a town water supply scheme is commonly designed for a population of option A at present year, option B after 1 decade, option C after 2 decades, and option D after 3 decades. So the correct answer for this question is option D, after 3 decades. Next question, which of the following method is used to forecast the population of old and very large city? So let's check the options. Option A, arithmetical increase method. Option B, geometrical progression method. Option C, graphical method. Option D, logistic curve method. So the correct answer is option A, arithmetical increase method. Next question, forecast of population for water supply is done by using option A, arithmetic mean method. Option B, comparative method. Option C, graphical method. Option D, all the above. So the answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, a water supply scheme is designed for an area with over 90% population as lower income group. What should be the water demand in liters per day considered in designing such system? Option A, 100. Option B, 135. Option C, 150. Option D, 200. Though the correct answer is option B, 135 liters per day. Next question, the total water consumption including domestic, commercial and industrial demands for average Indian people is option A, 135 LPCD, option B, 210 LPCD, option C, 240 LPCD, option D, 270 LPCD. So the correct answer for this question is option D, 270 LPCD. Next question, which department look after the execution and maintenance of water supply and sanitary works? Public Work Department. Option B, Social Welfare Department. Option C, Public Health Department. Option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, Public Health Department. Next question, the total requirement of water is arrived by using the following code. Option A, IS 1171-1963. Option B, IS 1172-1963. Option C, YS 1173-1962. Option D, IS 1172-1962. So the correct answer is option B, IS 1172-1963. So the next question, total water requirement of a city is generally expressed on the basis of option A, maximum hourly demand. Option B, maximum daily demand plus fire demand. Option C, average daily demand plus fire demand. And option D, greater of A and B. So let's check the correct answer. Option D, greater of maximum hourly demand and maximum hourly demand plus fire demand. So the next question, water supply includes option A, collection, transportation and treatment of water. Option B, distribution of water to consumers. Option C, provision of hydrants for water fighting. And option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. Next question, the ratio between peak hourly demand and maximum daily demand per hour is option A, 1.5, option B, 1.8, option C, 2, and option D, 2.7. So the correct answer is option A, 1.5. Next question, the peak demand of water in Indian conditions is option A, 2.5 to 3 times the average. Option B, 1.25 to 1.5 times the average. Option C, 0.75 to 1.2 times the average. And option D, 0.45 to 0.7 times the average. So the correct answer is option A, 2.5 to 3 times the average. Next question, the multiplying factor as applied to obtain by the maximum daily water demand in relation to the average. Option A, 1.5, option B 1.8, option C 2 and option D 2.7. So the correct answer is Option B 1.8. Next question, which test is used to measure the resistance to passage of light through water? Turbidity test, option B temperature test, option C color test, option D permissible test. So the correct answer is option A turbidity test. Next question, aeration of water is done to remove option A color, option B odor, option C hardness, option D turbidity. So the correct answer is option B odor. Next question, biochemical oxygen demand is quoted at which temperature? Option A 10, option B 50, option C 20, option D 25. So the correct answer for this question is option C 20. Then comes next question, on which scale turbidity measured? Option A platinum scale, option B silica cobalt scale, option C silica platinum scale, and option D standard silica scale. So the correct answer is option D standard silica scale. The next question, temporary hardness in water is caused by the presence of option A bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium, option B sulfate of calcium and magnesium, option C chlorides of calcium and magnesium, and option D nitrates of calcium and magnesium. So the correct answer is option A bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Then next question, as compared to the geometrical increase method for forecasting population, the arithmetical increase method gives option A lesser value, option B higher value, option C equal value, and option D may vary as it depends on population figures. So the correct answer is option A lesser value. So the next question is, design period for water supply is option A 10 to 20 years, option B 20 to 30 years, option C 30 to 40 years, and option D 40 to 50 years. So the correct answer is option B 20 to 30 years. Next question, which of the following is also known as uniform increase method? Option A arithmetical increase method, option B geometrical increase method, option C symbol graphical method, option D incremental increase method. So the correct answer is option B geometrical increase method. Uniform increase method is also known as geometrical increase method. Next question, which of the following factors are responsible for the change in population? Option A birth, option B death, option C migration, and option D all the above. So the answer is all the above. All these factors are responsible for change in population. Next question, the domestic use of water amounts to what percentage of the total water requirement per capita per day? Option A 20, option B 30, option C 40, and option D 50. So the correct answer is option D 50. Next question, the per capita demand include option A domestic water demand only, option B domestic and commercial demand, option C domestic, commercial and industrial demand, and option D domestic, commercial, industrial, public and fire demand. So the correct answer is option D per capita demand includes domestic, commercial, industrial, public and fire demand. So the next question, which of the following causes a decrease in per capita consumption? Option A good quality of water, option B hotter climate, option C use of metering system, option D better standard of living of people. So the correct answer is option C use of metering system. Next question, zero hardness of water is achieved by option A using lime soda process, option B excess lime treatment, option C ion exchange method, option D using excess alum dosage. So the correct answer is option C ion exchange method. Thanks for watching.